In this video, we are going to install Microsoft Power BI in our computer system. Open your internet browser and on search bar, write Microsoft Power BI desktop download. This will be the link where you have to click, or you can simply go in the video description and click the link there. Choose the language and then go to download. This is for the 32-bit systems and this is for the 64-bit systems. All the Windows 11 runs on 64-bit, so I will choose it and click download. I have already downloaded the file, but for you download will start and you will see your downloaded file here. Double click on the downloaded file and click install. It will take some time. Click next. And let it complete. Here it has completed its installation. We just have to click the finish. Your Microsoft Power BI desktop will open like this. If you want to use Microsoft Power BI's online services, you have to purchase its license, otherwise you can use it for free. This is your program that is now downloaded and you will see its interface like this. Thank you.